panibago na naman laro. Kaya maglalaro tayo ngayon ng green bean. Ayun ako guys, so tumatalon niya sa saya. So guys, anong pang hinihintay natin? Maglaro na tayo. Oh my gosh, yung green bean nandoon. Napakasan ko sana si green bean. Magaling ako dito sa obi. Wow. Easy lang naman eh. Guys, si John na lang dito. Ay. Hello. Goal. I need something to do. What? Oh my gosh. Guys, I need something to do to my own self. Kasi... Ay! Hello guys, ano ba yan? Nahulog tayo. She's not accepting me. Ano yun? God bless you. Guys, malapit na tayo sa green bean. Ang bilis ng green bean. Ang bilis! Guys, ang bilis ni green bean. Green bean lang talaga yung nakita ko ganito guys. Ang bilis na guys, parang mga habol ng Chocobil. Hindi mo ko mahabol. Green bean. Hindi mo ko mahabol. Bebe. Hindi ka kasya dito sa butas. Ayaw. Yak. Namamahi. Hanggang 10 ata to guys. Easy. Ay, Squid Game. Dati umiyak pa. Ay, guys. Ay, my gosh, guys. Don't step. Ako na muna. Green bean. Siya green bean siya. Nag-fake. Tayo green bean. Ay! Hindi ka na guys. Green bean tura. Tayin ko si green bean. Si green bean na naman. Hindi siya Run away to the green bean. Scammers is always. Guys, ang dilim. Guys, nahulog tayo guys. Ay te, sorry, hindi nakapag-net na. Sorry ah.
I saw it. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys saw it, but you're about to do the second 3, 2, 1. That's cool. No, you can literally just get 3 buckets.
Yun, online siya. B.
Not just like diamond blocks. locks and stuff. Obviously, Loki locks is crazy, but built it. I don't know if he's happy about that. But anyway, he has no choice, baby. We can also milk anything from wait, what am I saying?
Ba't tayo mag-shortcut?
We can milk wood. What am I doing? Why am I breaking locks? I hope it doesn't kill me. But here goes nothing. Oh my goodness me. What is that? I just got drink the milk of every mob in the game.
Guys, tatapusin na natin to. Oh, superpowers. Ay, may garden pa guys. Oh, social natin. Grow a garden. Bakla siya, B. Si Ante. May lalagay dito na died. Ah, yes. Guys, parang matatapos na. Ah, tayo sa labo. Ah, kuha tayo ng labo. Then, nasa ano na ako.
We can try that in a second. But there you go. Yes, we got some ore right here. I wonder if breaking the wood pickaxe. I can't. Awesome. I'm still gonna grab up some stone. I have so much wood.
Guys, tanong siya ng
Okay, that's honestly not too bad. Almost no pickaxe. Let's
okay. Same pa kami ng avatar niyan.
Oh, I still have. How long does this freaking last, bro? Pick up some more bucket ore.
Top support yun.
I love bucket ore. This ore is better than anything else you do.
Guys, wait lang. Ilan din ito kumukuhan sa atin. Diyan na lang.
I have no idea what this does. I gotta make sure they're not spying on me. I think I'm good. I'm sorry if I'm so paranoid. Okay, gamers?
Yan. Ayun. Sakto. Yan. Drop. Huwag mong hawakan yan. Yun na nga eh. Nabasan na nga tapos. Guys, ang hirap. Okay, ang hirap guys. Ang hirap ilang.
Iron Bill! Alright, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, slurp it up! Yeah!
Bibilisan ko lang guys para sa inyo.
Okay, I don't know if anything changed. Hello?
Guys, may part 2 pa to. See you, guys.